What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries, and mega love shout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. We are back for a reaction video for Ruel Carino para sa kanyang performance sa Gospel of Love concert para sa kantang My Kind of Girl and Born Free. Yes, I'm so excited to check this out. But before proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. And mga ka-RCFC, iniimbitahan ko po kayong supportahan na ating pinakabagong channel, Truly John Valencia, para sa aking vlogging era. Sana po ay masuportahan ninyo. And of course, kung bet nyo lang naman. Yes, kaya naman, ang pakabay inaantay natin, guys. So let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey. Oh, ito pala yung My Kind of Girl. Oh. That's cute.
And her hair has a kind of curl.
Ganda ng groove.
To my mind, she's my kind of girl.
Cute. I love the beat of the song and the way that Ruel is saying it. Grabe yung diction talaga that is very special. What a golden vocal.
She's wise like an angel's wise.
Love the execution.
Eyes like an angel's eyes. And her smile kind of like a pearl.
Who love that low tone.
Yes, to my mind, she's my kind of girl.
Ang cute lang na execution niya, no? And the vocal, parang alam mo yung nangaharana, and the beat of the song na, very may saxophone vibe, ganun. Eh, parang Las Vegas effect. Love the dynamics.
Like an angel looks. She even cooks like an angel cooks.
Grabe yung word na cooks, no? Grabe, the diction.
And my mind's in a kind of world.
Eh,
To my mind, she's my kind of girl.
oh, love it.
That pretty little face, that face just knocks me off of my feet.
Cute.
Those pretty little feet, she's really sweet and not to me.
I love that execution. Parang naano ko rin na para siyang Broadway vibe, no? Yung pagkakakanta ni Ruel, I love it.
She looks
Parang Las Vegas Broadway. Alam niyo yun?
She even cooks like an angel cooks. And my mind
Woo!
in a kind of world.
Sustain high notes.
'Cause to my mind, she's my kind of girl.
Love that dynamics.
My heart's kind of full of joy because she told me I'm her kind of girl.
Hey! Wow! Oh my God! Love that hitting the money note of the song. Love it! Ito na, Born
And
Free.
it was given to us by the people up above.
Born free.
Woo! Grabe, such an old soul yung vocal niya. No?
As free as the grass grows. Born free to follow your heart.
Story time, guys. memorize ko tong Born Free kasi kinanta namin to sa ano, yung grade school ako nito nung kinanta namin sa choir. Oo, pinanlaban namin yan. Charit.
Live free and peace surrounds you.
Ganda ng
The
vibrato.
world still astounds you each time you look at a star.
Wow!
Stay free.
Di ba may sumisigaw pa?
No one's divide you.
Hey!
You're free as a roaring tide, so there's no need to hide.
Sustained notes.
Born free.
Nagpalakpakan mga ka-RCFC.
Life is worth living, but only worth living.
Lambing nun.
You're born free.
Wow! Amazing rendition. Parang di niya nakikita masyadong maliwanag yung ilaw. Nasisilaw ang bunso.
Stay free.
Grabe yung buo yung vocals, no? Hey!
You're free as a roaring tide, so there's no need to hide.
Love it.
Born free,
Free.
and life is worth living,
Grabe yung conviction,
but
no?
only worth living, 'cause you're born free.
Hey! Oh my gosh! Love it! Amazing, amazing. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing My Kind of Girl and Born Free. Grabe. I love both of his rendition. You know, the execution at parang yung My Kind of Girl, parang pa-Broadway kind of vibe, Las Vegas. And then yung Born Free naman. I love the storytelling, the way that he's saying it. And of course, the diction, the money notes, the high notes. Grabe. I love it, Bunso. Congratulations for this benefit concert. Deserve mo ang lahat ng support na nararanasan mo because you are really, really good. Agree ba kayo dun, guys? Kaya naman, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.